Good morning, all. Now, today we'll be studying about the pair of linear equations in which we have to follow a particular method, which is known as the substitution method. Now, as the name suggests, about a pair of linear equation. When we talk of a pair of linear equations, it means we'll be getting two different equations in terms of any two variables, x and y. It is taken as by default. Now, for the substitution method, what we have to do is we have to find the value of one variable from any one equation, and then we have to substitute the same into the another. For an example, I have taken any equation ax plus by is equal to c, and the another equation which is px plus qy is equal to z. Now my aim is to find the value of x and y from both the equations. The aim is, first we have to find the value of x from the first equation. It actually depends whether we have to find the value of x or we have to find the value of y. Looking as per the question, it becomes more easy to decide which equation to choose. Now in this particular case, I have assumed the first equation ax plus by plus ax plus by is equal to c, from which I will be finding the value of x in terms of y. Now these were the two equations, ax plus by is c and px plus qy is z. Now let us find the value of x from the first equation. This is my first equation, ax. Because I need to find the value of x, all the terms other than x will go to the right hand side, like ax is equal to c minus by. What I have done is I have taken this by plus by here so that I can get c minus by. From this I can get the value of x as c minus by upon a. Now this is the value of x which I have found through first equation. My next step is I have to substitute this value of x into another equation, like this. Let us say the second equation is px plus qy is z. Substituting the value of x, now every part of the equation will remain same. Only in place of x I am going to write this value like this. Now p into, now what is the value of x here? It is c minus by upon a plus qy is equal to z. From this, now we can say that we have only y as a variable, rest all are numbers. It can be very easy to find the value of y. Now let us take an example where we have the two equations as x plus y is 14 and x minus y is 4. Now this is the first question of your NCERT book of the third exercise. X plus y is 14 and x minus y is 4. Remember, for the solution we have to find the value of x from any one equation. So I am taking the first equation from which I will be finding the value of x. Now this x will be equal to 14 minus y, because every other variable other than x will be on the right hand side. Every other number, every other variable will be on the another side as that of x. Therefore it becomes 14 minus y. Now this was my second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Instead of x I will write down 14 minus y. Rest everything is same. Instead of x I have written just 14 minus y. Minus y is there and 4 is there. Now if I try to solve it, it will be 14 minus 2y, because minus y and minus y will add up to get minus 2y. 14 minus 2y is equal to 4. Then minus 2y is 4 minus 14, because I have to find the value of y now. Every other number, every another variable will go to the right hand side. Now this is minus 2y is 4 minus 14, or we can say minus 2y is 4 minus 14 will give you minus 10, or we can say value of y is 5. Now this is my first answer. For a pair of linear equations, we have to find the values of x and y. There are two answers. One is for x, another is for y. We have done for y. Now these were the equations. Now I can substitute this value of y anywhere in these two equations. I am substituting the value of y in the first equation, that is x plus 5 is equal to 14. X plus y is equal to 14, it was there. For the value of y, I have taken 5 here. Finding the answer, I will get x is equal to 9. Now these are my two answers, y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 9. I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Thanks, stay healthy, stay safe.